guys, welcome back to the channel. Today the markets got clapped, they recovered and kind of sold off at the very end. Not much. I'm here to cover all the details on what happened today, what might happen tomorrow or Friday. But thank you for watching. Let's just hop right into the portfolio and kind of give you guys an idea what we did today. We did quite a bit of trades today. And the first thing I did today was let's just hop right over into our alert section, take a look. I closed out these FUBO contracts, so we sold the cover put, and today was the day to close them out. Wasn't a much gain. We made maybe 33 bucks on that play. This was just money being tied up with margin. I explained that in a previous video. But anyways, we sold these FUBO contracts, made 33 bucks. I sold Roku contracts today for 39 cents, and we bought these. Take a look here at the tracker. We sold these Roku calls for 165. I closed them at 0.39, and then we waited, and this was a great thing with Roku, and it actually recovered. So we sold these pretty much at the market bottom today. Now again, when I say recovered, I don't really mean like recovered. It still got clapped today. But anyway, we sold these somewhere around there where it was $58, and we had a decent climb up, and I was able to sell these midday. So the 68 call for 253, and that's pretty much the highest it's been all day. These contracts did go to 275 at one point because the rally just continued. But at 253, I'm very happy with this fill considering we sold these for 0.39. These don't cover earnings, so we'll get another chance to sell when earnings comes to profit more. Take a look here, and you guys can see our entry costs for AMD, Roku, Beyond. And Beyond, actually, let's go back to the portfolio, we sold Beyond 16 call. Beyond's at 16.18. So what's the scenario with this? Well, if Beyond stays 16.18 by the time these contracts expire on the 28th, which it may or may not, I don't really care, and Beyond's going to be taken from us. And basically, how much we make on this trade? Well, we bought these Beyond. We sold a 17 put for 70 cents, and we got in for 16.30 is our break even on the share price. We sold a 16 call for 95 cents. Basically, we'll make around 120 something dollars on Beyond, which is not bad at all considering that Beyond is one of our lightest positions. It's 11% of our portfolio. Just to make 120 bucks on it is great, right? We didn't, instead of having that money tied up and doing absolutely nothing, it made some money on that. So not crazy, but decent enough. And yeah, so again, these Roku contracts, I'm hoping we'll get full expiration on these. But more than most likely, I'm not going to wait till 28. What's going to happen is Data is going to start to decay these contracts. A good red day will close them out again. Hopefully get another 70-80% win in a week, maybe even 2 weeks, who knows, but as soon as that happens. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Today was just very interesting. The markets did open with a gap down around 373, 372, and the markets did sell off here furthermore, and it looked really bad here, but I decided to take a shot on Meta here. And if let's take a look at the alerts today, let's go to the option alert. So Meta was a naked option call. It wasn't covered or anything like that. It was just a straight up play, and I alerted these Meta calls to buy them at, looks like 360. So buy to open, Meta 150 call, 1028. We paid 360 for these, and I also put a comment. It covers earnings. Now you do want to take plays that cover earnings because the extra way of protection, as in if the market does continue to get clapped or whatever happens, IV will typically build up in these contracts, and during earning times, you recover most of your money before that. And if you don't, the last resort is to play the earnings and hope for the best. So anyways, I love getting contracts that cover earnings. Pretty much all the naked will cover earnings, primarily for that reason. It's an extra safety net for me. Another option on top of the options I already have. We cut it short. We got these at 11:07 a.m. and then we sold these somewhere around 2:46 p.m. So we made 30% gain on these contracts, and we sold them for $475. It was decent. Can't complain. 115 bucks in 2-3 hours. And that's per contract, right? So depending how many contracts you buy. I usually buy, it depends on the play. Usually when it covers earnings, it's much safer. I go a little bit heavier, but I typically like to stay between 1 or 2% of my cash balance of my account on any trade, and my risk is depending on that as well. But guys, the plan, please, I want to get rid of these Beyond calls and Beyond because we're approaching max profit. So once Beyond hits that $17 mark area, it means that we can't profit anymore, and we're just tying up money. So depending where the contracts are at, I would sell Beyond shares, and then I would close out these Beyond contracts immediately right after, and just take my 120 bucks, whatever it is, and then just go home with it and find another play. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions regarding premium selling trading, hit me up on Instagram. You guys can hop right over here. Just go to Seller Dips on Instagram, and you guys can send me a message. I respond pretty much to everybody, and I would appreciate it if you guys do like and subscribe to the video. I am committed on creating content. I'm going to be sending out videos almost every single day. Yeah, I'm shooting for the hills here. I'm trying to find my audience base on YouTube. So if you guys can help me out, subscribe, share, tell a friend. This is a great way of trading. The markets are relaxed. Yes, the portfolio is down $205 today, but I don't really care. As you guys mentioned, I don't really look at the cash value of the account. Yes, I do like as the account goes up, but I don't really care. What I care about is the shares and the contracts. And Roku's new. AMD is also good. These are actually losing in the calls, but the stock is appreciating, so the portfolio is getting more value. But we got a long way to go for AMD. These are 75 calls, and AMD is currently trading at 67. So more than most likely, we'll collect the AMDs, we'll collect the Rokus, and hopefully either we keep Beyond or we don't. I don't really care. Once we lose the Beyond shares, I will open up another position. And guys, it's been almost 2 weeks. I have not made a single deposit into this account. I am letting the premium work for us. Eventually down the road, I will make a deposit. But I don't see the need right now. Again, we're just trading the markets and making decent returns. Actually, if you go back to our spreadsheet here, we actually collected $868 in premium. So if you add all this up, that's what it comes out to, which is amazing. The account's at 5K. It's been 2 weeks and a half, almost 3 weeks. So just imagine the compound effect of next month and the following month. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe. I'm telling you, this is it. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It should be a great day. Peace out.